This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a dance. This was filmed and recorded, like the voice recording, in 2023. So this is the last video of 2023. That's crazy to say. We are going to be in the new year. So this is actually surprise PR mail from Madam Glam. It's so sweet, actually. My representative, Karina, she reached out to let me know. And generally, when packages are being sent, I get like duty notifications, just to let me know that it's entering Canada and stuff like that. But there was no notification, email, anything about this. So when this arrived, I was shocked. So I had to message her about it. And she is the absolute sweetest. So this was a little Christmas gift that she sent over. And she said out of everything that I would be unboxing with the advent calendar and the new December collection, which was House of Reflections, she thought I might want some holographic Christmassy colors. So she actually selected these out and sent this out as a surprise PR. So I'm freaking out. First and foremost, these holographic colors are delicious. But when I was looking, I said, one of these bottles looks awfully familiar. And that's when I realized one of the polishes that she had sent over was Lovesick. Now this was a linear holo collection from I believe it was actually 2 Februaries ago. But last year I actually purchased it because it was first sold out and then they brought it back. And I got this with my VIP credits. I got the entire Jackpot collection, which was a linear holo collection. It was just so stunning that I had to get it for my birthdays. So I quickly just grabbed the collection that I purchased, and I took the Lovesick out that she sent. So before even touching it, opening it, anything, I just want to put that right into the giveaway. Since I already do have this color, I don't want to touch it. So the only thing is I touched it with my phalanges, but I didn't open it. So that is ready for whoever wins the giveaway, which, by the way, the giveaway is only open until January 3rd. Unless you guys tell me in the comments down below you want it extended for a week, because I can definitely do that. But past that extension, time is running out to enter. And some of those products are completely sold out, y'all. From the House of Reflections, those glitters are gone. So if it's in your heart to do, please enter. So let's get into, so I just quickly took that color before touching it and put that in the giveaway. And then I grabbed out the Lovesick I already had. So we're going to swatch that shortly. But starting off with the first color that she sent, this is called Sticky Toffee. Now, this color completely stole my heart. And this is what I was like, while I was unboxing the calendar, the one thing that I felt was missing was something holographic. So the moment that she emailed me and let me know that she had sent those, it kind of just completed the entire holiday festive season for me. So there was this gingerbread look I wanted to do with like pouring icing or dripping icing, sprinkles, Christmas sprinkles, and then this like toffee gingerbread color. So I'm screaming. The holographic magic on this is so intense. So not only do you get this gorgeous sticky toffee color, but then you get the rainbow surprise. So this is definitely a must have on the nice list. Not the naughty list, the nice list. So next up is Sugar Cookie. Now this is one of the most bright holographic gels I've ever seen from them. It's literally like opening up a portal of rainbow sunshine. Like, it is insane. I've also thought that this should be a staple because though it has like delicious hues of blue, it's more of like a silver rainbow magic. So you could take any kind of jelly or syrup and put this on top and get this like very intense dimension shine. You might lose some of the rainbow magic, but you could definitely put jellies on this and be very happy with how it looks. Now, this Sugar Cookie, I am so sad. This sold out. Now, Madam Glam's holiday sales, they did 25 deals of Advent. So not just the Advent opening, but they had a deal every day. And those deals are still continuing. So sadly, this polish sold out during those deals. But Madam Glam has so many gorgeous holographic shades. So do not sleep on these linear hollow. Like, it is, again, I feel like one of Madam Glam's taglines needs to be magic in a bottle, because these polishes do all the heavy lifting. I literally just did 2 thin coats for all of these swatches, and I was just shook at that shine. I also made sure that I top coated all of the swatches with their delicious, their famous no wipe top coat. It's an obsession. So I want to quickly show you an honorable mention. This is Let It Snow, and it is a royal blue. I almost say like it's gritty, like there's this midnight magic to it, and it is so beautiful. And when I say gritty, I mean the color, because it is so smooth going on. But that was actually one of the polishes that I purchased with my VIP credits last year. So I definitely had to show you, because that definitely is in that holo list. Just like that holographic foil that was in the advent calendar, y'all, there is going to be a whole holographic set. There has to be, because these holographic colors are so darling. So this is the Lovesick that I was talking about, that I actually put the unopened bottle in the giveaway. This color's too beautiful for me to covet. I need to share the magic. And just because I had that entire collection, I just thought that it would be better served in the hands of one of my nail sisters or brothers. So I just think that's exciting, because now not only do you have these beautiful holiday glitters, but you have a holographic magic up in there as well. In your base coat, top coat, and mini lamp. So that is definitely an adorable little stocking stuffer that will be sent to you in the new year if you are the winner from the giveaway. I am going to do a special live in which I do a live drawing of the winner for the giveaway. So I did want to mention that, especially because I am putting an additional polish in there. I just wanted to let anybody know that might not have been able to enter the giveaway, that there's still time. And again, if you guys want a little extra time, because the deadline is January 3rd, just let me know in the comments down below, and I'll do a community post just extending it by a week. It's just going to determine on popularity, like if you guys still want that time to enter, or if not, then the beautiful humans that have already entered, we can do that draw and see who the lucky winner is. Now, last but not least, Karina sent over a mini. Now, this mini is called Stardust, and I can't get over. So at first, I thought there was like tiny black glitters, but it's actually a ranging size of golden glitters and glitter pieces. So it is absolutely gorgeous. Like the depth of this polish. This is New Year's in a bottle. New Year's Eve, new nails, who dis? Karina, I have to say thank you so very much. You've already made 2023 so special, but the ending of the year, just sending over this little Christmas goodies, Christmas PR, these holographic colors are so pretty, and I cannot wait to make a gorgeous set to showcase these holographic and this glitter. Oh my gosh, thank you guys so much for being a part of this swatch party. But I don't want the party to just end here. Since this is the last video of 2023, I want to do a little nail art with Sugar Cookie. So we are going to take Sugar Cookie and the white gel paint, and we are going to do a little New Year's Eve nail. So I'm just going to quickly drool over these holographic shades, and then we are going to get into all of the magic. So before I begin the demo, I just had to show again, because we're going to be using the model Sunshine, how glorious that holographic foil they sent. I still have to do a full set with that foil, because it was just interplanetary. It sent me to the land of the sugar plums, like the sugar plum fairies. It was just so beautiful. So now that I've got my model ready, we quickly grabbed some sugar cookie and we are just going to do 2 thin coats and begin with the nail art. The rest of this demo will just be a watch me work, and I will be in towards the end of the video. But thank you so much. Again, I have to give like the biggest hugs and kisses for all of the love and support during the Advent Calendar series. You guys throughout the year always give all of the love, but coming in day after day for all of those videos, and then the closing out video did so well. Like there was so much love. So I just have to thank you guys so very much. And I do apologize. There was like a Disney cruise ship that was just honking outside, and then there was sirens earlier. But, you know, the show must go on. The show waits for no one. So I'm just quickly writing out that 2024, and then we're going to do some fireworks.
You can be my champion. You can be my champion. Top my league. Top my league. Top my league.
This was just a simple and fun way to showcase how magnificent Sugar Cookie is. Now, as you can see in different light sources, you get that like silver magic look, and then it goes right in to the holographic disco party. What in the disco ball is going on over here? Have no fear. The party is brought to you via Madam Glam gels. Literally party in a bottle. So for your New Year's festivities and parties, you just need to grab these gorgeous shades. Or if you got the advent calendar, you need to put that pink holographic magic on your phalanges. Thank you so very much for watching, and I cannot wait to see you next year.